Hi friends, welcome to learn SAP-FICO. Friends, today we are going to discuss about tables checking. What are the tables and what is the purpose to be aware about these tables? So before going to start, I request you all, if you like the video, so do subscribe and share the videos with your friends. Don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get the notification of all my coming videos. So let's start today's session. The question is, what is table? So friends, table is used to store the data. In SAP, we have thousands of different tables for different areas. So the table is used for storing your data. Either is your configurational data, master data or transactional data. All type of data is stored in different tables. So as a functional consultant, we should aware about some important tables, because there are many points of time where you need to know about these tables. So what are the tables you should know about? I am just discussing area of which area table you should know, like your master data tables, configuration table and transactional tables. So as a functional consultant, as a SAP functional consultant, so you should know about all vendor master data tables, all your customer master data tables and your transactional data tables. So you should know about these tables. Now let's discuss why do we need to know about these tables. Because table creation is a part of technical, but as a functional consultant, what is the need to be aware about these tables? So friends, there are certain reportings, enhancement and developments related requirements on each customer, so which are not available in the standard system. So for that enhancement and for that development and for that reporting purpose, we should know about each table, because we have to give some information from these tables to the developer. So at that point of time, we should know about these tables, because without knowing that tables, you cannot develop anything. And without going to develop anything, we cannot run the system properly. We cannot fulfill the requirements of the business. We cannot satisfy your customer. What they want, we have to understand, we have to analyze, and accordingly we have to design our FST, and we have to give to the ABAPer. And we have to give the logic of the tables. Then ABAPer can develop your formats and all things. So for those requirements, we need to develop the objects with the help of ABAP. So in that case, we need to provide the logic of a development where we specify the table and fields name where data be stored. So to check the field name, we will press F1 key on a particular field and get the technical information. From there, you can check the table name where data get stored. So to check the table's data, the T code is SE16 or SE16N or SE11. These three are the table checking T codes. So let's go to SAP screen and see how to perform this. SE16 you can run. To check the tables. and here you can enter the table name, and the another T code is another T code is SE16, and where you can check the table. Here you have to enter the table name. So how to know about the table name? For example, we create a company in the T code OX02. Suppose we have created this company code. So here we have some fields. So which field you wants to know the table name, you wants to see this company code detail. So press F1 key, click on this technical information. Here is, you can see, so the field name is bookers for this company code. So company code is a name for the functional consultants, and for our technical consultant, this is company code is known as bookers. So when we are going to develop anything, so what are the things they have to create? So for the technical purpose, for the technical person, you have to give a logic for that particular development. Then technical person can understand in what fields they have to create what items, by the help of what tables and by the help of what field names they have to create or they have to develop the object. If you want to check the vendor table, so suppose I'm just going to run the T code FK02 for change the vendor. But one of the viewer is asking about how to create a functional specification document. So these are the things which we cover in that functional specification document. So suppose I have just tick on all the options. Select your vendor first. In which vendor? I'm just selecting any vendor. Select any vendor. Now click on this all the items. I've selected all. Now press enter. Suppose I want to check this. Yes, this is a table name RF02K. This is a table name and this is a field name LIFNER. This is a field name for this particular vendor. This is a table name and this is a field name for a vendor. Similarly, if you want to see the another one, like if you want to see this bank account key or bank key table. If you want to see this bank key table, press F1 key, click on this technical information. So here you can see the table name is LFBK, and under that LFBK your field name is this for bank key. Bank L is the field name for this bank key. Bank key is the field name for bank key is the name for a consultant, functional consultant, but the technical consultant, it is known as bank L. Now, if you want to see more details about this, so we will get back. Enter that table name here and press enter. If you want to see more details, like as you enter this table name, it is showing you these details. If you want to see more details about, here is the technical name of that table. For this table, here is your technical name of the fields. Name of the fields is showing here. So this is the way to check the table name and to check the fields name. So when we are going to develop any object, so we have to give the table name and the field name along with the logic from where they can get the information and how they can create a new object by that logic.
Arrive at the share
Answer
of cost
is
to be
SAP
allocated
uses
to the
distribution
cost
keys
centers to distribute planned values across various periods.